me. मैं पहली बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेरा GoPro. Say hi to my GoPro everyone, and I'm trying to do this mirror kind of thing. Hopefully it works. तो अभी हम लोग रेडी हो चुके हैं. This is our look to go to the beach.
हाँ मतलब जाने
छोटे से.
Ooh, look at this main character vibe. Oh my god! Just run, go. Woo! God damn it, Smriti. Where are you going, lady?
I'm going to the beach right there.
Crab hole. Just look at this, guys. This is a crab hole. I've seen this in so many videos. I mean, there are so many crabs here. So the sea is right there, and it's like infinity. It's never gonna end. So we are right now. चप्पल हाथ में पकड़ के जा रहे हैं, and let's experience the water. Smriti, just look at that boat. You get the boat also. Woo! Smriti, your first time experience. सुनो चल. ओए crab है वो क्या जो? हाँ? Yes, I think so. It's moving. I saw one of it moving. See, there are some of the movements. Just look at it.
Oh, crab! Oh,
Koi.
oh, in the sun. No, the shallow. I saw the crab in the shallow.
Oh, crab.
Oi! Hey, chuttu crab.
Woo.
Shell.
It's really dabdaba on this side, huh?
अब चलो मैं खोल.
This Mandarmani beach basically मेरे को क्यों आना था? It's because I heard that it would be empty like this, all private, not so much of crowd, not like Diga or any other place. And as expected, yes, it is so empty and open. And ये लड़की enjoy कर रही है. और मैंने बहुत सारा पोस्ट भी देखा था कि you'll get to see. Just look at that one walking. But ये जब मैं कैमरा लेके जाती हूँ ना, it stops. And मैंने ये भी सुना था कि it has lots of red crab. Red crab तो अभी तक दिखाई नहीं दिया. But just look at the sound. I mean, just listen to the sound. Red crab तो दिखाई नहीं दिया है अभी तक. What did you find? Starfish. कोई देखा? You can take it as a souvenir. Oh, corn shell. What? It's moving. Yeah, it is moving. Oh, fuck, Smriti. बढ़ रहा है ये वेव, पता है? It's coming here. Let's go. No. It's okay. Just feel the peace, Smriti. Hi. To the universe, to the mother nature. I'm so glad, and I feel like I am manifesting all kind of happiness and joy in my life, and it feels so good, so surreal. Oh, finally. Shandar, one of the amazing evening. Almost khatam hone wala hai, and just look at the condition of my hair. It's so frizzy, and I don't mind this frizziness क्योंकि यहाँ beach में आके, if you don't get that frizzy hair, if you don't accept that frizzy hair, what's the use?
It was beautiful.
She's so, glowing. ये सोई नहीं है रात भर, yet she's glowing. And just look at the skyline. It's तो ये वाला side it's all bluish and purplish kind of. फोटो में तो और purple निकल रहा था, but ये वाला side, just look at this. Just look at the beauty of the skyline. I cannot forget this day at all. The sun-kissed real footage and photo is right here. तो अब हम लोग जाएंगे कुछ सी फूड हंटिंग में because we both love seafoods, prawns, crabs and all everything. तो देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर जो फूड का हट्स होता है, मतलब छोटा छोटा लाइक जो होता है ना, वो सब प्लेसेस कहाँ पे है. विल चेक आउट. आई एम लविंग दिस. आई एम लविंग माई मेकअप एज वेल. जो मैंने मेकअप किया था, यू कैन चेक आउट माई शॉर्ट्स. आई लव इट. सन किस्ड मेकअप. It's just like doing so great on our skin. Yay! This is the actual market of Mandarmani, and girl, she's like excited. Yeah, you're squid. This is squid.
This is squid.
And this is tiger. Yeah,
Tiger prawns.
tiger prawns, pomfret. This is pomfret, no? So we have ordered this one plate because for one plate we're gonna get 6 pieces. I think it's worth it. Let's try this one. Hi, buddy. How are you?
ये वाला कितनी
ये वाला 2 पीस बना देगा. How's the experience? It's like super fun. Windy weather and garam prawns. Summertime happiness it is. Amen. Yes. खरीद लिया है आपने अपनी दोस्त के लिए, राइट? So and we are having fun in the market. All those shoe bags. I'm just gonna show the shoe bags. Shoe bags. Look at the moon. And यहाँ पे सामने मंदिर भी है अगर आप लोग दर्शन करना चाहो. Let's go. मंदिर की तरफ. I'm feeling so good right now. And because like बाजार घूमते घूमते हम लोग ये मंदिर के सामने आ गए हैं. And I feel so blessed. Just look at it. Just feel. इसी तरह से हम लोगों का मंदारमनी का बाजार घूमना, ये सफ़र भी ख़त्म हो गया है. नाउ वी गोना गो बैक टू होटल, जस्ट टेक सम रेस्ट, क्योंकि कल सुबह घर भी जाना है वापस. तो फाइनली गाइस, हम लोगों का ये short vacation in Mandarmani beach is over finally, and we had amazing time. She's getting ready. I'm almost ready. And हम लोगों का बस सुबह ही है, so we have to get down to bus stand as soon as possible. We don't want to get late क्योंकि हम लोगों का काम भी start होने वाला है. As soon as we head home, we have to get ready. The mentality has to be like, okay, now it's time to work. क्योंकि सारा पैसा तो ख़त्म कर लिया हम लोगों ने यहीं पे. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, The Little Talk. आप लोगों को पसंद आया तो thank you so much. Please leave down the comment if you want to know anything about like the whole situation, like video में कुछ भी देखा. And say bye, Smriti.
Bye bye everyone.
See you guys. Love you.